our end of day report. And we had the CPI data that came out this morning. And we're going to take a look now at the charts and the setups and what is happening, regardless of what you're hearing in the mainstream media. All right, so taking a look at the Bitcoin futures, first and foremost, we now have a neutralization process underway with a crash alert. We're in a bullish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading to boot. So at this stage, you're going to wait till the market comes off of neutralization and see what signal we get. The last time we went neutral, when the market came off, it gave you a crash alert and the market collapsed utterly. Will there be a second go round of that? We shall see. But chances are, when it comes off of neutralization this time, it'll probably break out with a rally and hit maybe 32,000 plus. So we'll keep our eyes open and watch what happens in the Bitcoin. Taking a look at silver. Silver is in a bullish trend with a bullish trend momentum reading, which means it's wide open. All right, has not topped out yet, so it's locked in a bull market. How high can it go? We're gonna find out. Next up, we got natural gas. Natural gas here is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, trying to get some kind of a bear market rally going. $2.50 is the initial upside target, which equals the bottom of the Kumo cloud. We'll see if the market can finally get something going or no. Next up is the Dow. So the Dow has been flip-flopping. So we left a bullish environment, hit a bearish environment. Now we flip back to a bullish environment. But one thing has been constant, and that's this bearish trend momentum reading. It is not turned green. And we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. All right. So, yeah, I know. Now, can the market come off of this and turn green? Yeah. But the resistance point is way up here, thousands of points away. Thousands of points away. I don't think it's going to happen. I think the market's going to roll over. And then the 52-week low back here is going to come into play, folks. That's just the way it's looking right now until something changes. Next up is the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ is in a bull market now, but you got a bearish trend momentum reading, which is showing a short-term top. And we got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. And our downside initial target is between 12,000 and 12,500. So, yeah, that's looking like that's going to happen, folks. Next up is gold. Now, gold is in a bull market, but not so fast. We got a bearish trend momentum reading. We came into today with a crash alert, but the market rallied instead. But still, the crash alert remains. I know. As long as you got that red trend momentum reading, you're in the sell the rally mode, folks. That's all I can tell you. It is what it is. Next up is the S&P 500, which remains in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. The bear is still locked in. You had a crash alert 2 days ago. We haven't got any downside production yet. The market bumped its head at the resistance. Overhead resistance is at 4,200. And here we are, 4117. And this one's getting ripe to roll over as well. Next up is oil. Crude oil's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and you haven't done anything about this gap. Haven't done anything about that. And you got a bullish trend momentum reading, so the bear market rally is underway. It took out its old resistance and is now headed to 85. How high will it go before it turns around? I don't know. But right now, it's wide open like it wants to really run. Next upside target, though, is around 95, between 90 and 95. So we'll see what happens. Next up is the Russell. The Russell's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. As long as this green line is here, the market is in the buy the dips, buy the pullback status, where all pullbacks are being looked at as buying opportunities. All right. And we know that this was going to happen because of this positive bot check several days ago. We're waiting for the fulfillment of it, and now we're starting to see that fulfillment come to pass. And you got a rally alert for tomorrow. So very interesting developments here, but the Russell still remains in a bear market. Has not been able to stage a bear market rally. This was a technical bounce right here. This was not a bear market rally. It was a technical bounce. So I don't know. Bear market rallies get you above the Kumo cloud like you did back here when you staged a bear market rally and then gave it all back and then some. So markets are looking very weak and under pressure. Next up, we have the US dollar index, which is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. Every pullback in the dollar is being bid. That 101 technical and psychological support is holding. All right. As long as this line, this trend momentum reading is green, every pullback or dip is going to be seen as a buying opportunity. And you got back to back to back positive bot checks way back here that have not come to pass yet. So this one's wide open to the upside. I know a lot of people are calling for its demise, its death, but it's just not happening right now. Not until this line turns green. I mean, turns red. If the green line stays green, this market ain't going nowhere. But once it flips to red within this bear market, that's when the bear market reclaims the dollar, and then yeah, it'll tank. And your supports are way down here. All right, below par, dropping you below par. So between 100 and between par and 101 is where the dollar is currently for support. All right, Ethereum. Ethereum has crossed over from a bearish to a bullish environment, but and you had a green trend momentum reading, but you got this neutralization bar today with the crash alerts. We have to wait until it comes off neutralization to see what happens. Last time this happened, we got a crash alert and the market dropped. Time before that, crash alert, market dropped. So we'll see what happens. All right, we'll see what happens. We'll hold off judgment until price confirms the move. All right, I see you there. You want to see CHP? Let's see, CHPT. All right, charge point. Okay, on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look at that. All right, so this one's in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading, which means you're in sell the rally mode and the market is selling off. So it's the bear market is locked in and you're below the Kumo cloud. So this thing is wide open. Next support is down there at $8 even. And yeah, that's where you are. So at this stage, the market is gunning for the 52-week low made back here the week of December the 27th of 2022, where you hit 807. So that's where the market is gunning for right now, to put in a new fresh 52-week low for charge point. All right, folks, you know what it is, man. The system works if you work the system. So make money, not excuses. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button and remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. Select the bell icon so you can be notified when I do these videos and when I go live. Lord willing, I'll bring back the podcast here soon. I've been getting a lot of requests for it. And trust me, it will be coming back in full fury. I've just been working out some things for our subscribers. And, oh, you're welcome, man. You're welcome, ZZ Top. No problem. No problem. That's what I'm here for. And salute to you too, James. Salute. Yeah, so, my main focus, just so you know, has always been the PulseWave reports, just making sure that our subscribers, our customers, clients have, the to the moment information so that they can do what they need to do in these markets. We've been in an environment where markets have been, moving sideways and consolidating. So it requires patience And while you're doing that, you're steadily building your positions. You're adding to your positions. Like case in point, we'll use this chart. So back here, this is where you were first got short, right? Put on a short. Then you would have added positions here, added positions here, added shorts here, added shorts here. And then when you got down to here, you would have taken profit. All right. And then you would go long here, go long here, go long here, take profit here, short here, and here you are today. That's how the system works. Once again, back here, you would have gotten out of shorts here and got long here, added to longs here, took profit up in here. And really, you would have got out on a neutralization bar. And then here was a short. You got no downside production, so that the market flip flopped. So it gave you a buy signal here. Add to your long here. Add to your long here. Add to your long here. Add here, and get out here. It's just the way it works. It's just the way it works. All right, the system works if you work the system. Or back here, short here. Add shorts here. Add shorts here. Add shorts here. Take profit here. It's not hard. All right, you're just sitting there holding positions, adding to positions when you get the signal to do so, and it's just that simple. It's not rocket science. It's just being patient and letting the market come to you and do what you need to do. It's just that simple. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and we do have some economic reports coming out tomorrow. I think it's job numbers or something, and PPI. So just be alert and be aware of those things as well. All right, you guys have a great evening, and I'm out. Peace.